Hello my friends, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting review for you. Today I am reviewing this Gucci Velvet Matelasse Gigi Marmont in this beautiful cobalt blue and velvet. So keep on watching so we can look luxurious together. The Gucci Velvet Matelasse Gigi Marmont shoulder bag in the size small. This bag, as you can see, is made of chevron quilted soft velvet. It is so soft and so plushy, so soft to the touch, and it has aged gold hardware with the interlocking GGs and a snap closure. It also has a blue leather strap. It has chain, the gold chain, and then leather and the top. And if you turn it around, you can see it has the iconic Gigi Marmont heart in the back. I think that is such a pretty little detail. It's so beautiful. When you open it by clicking this little snap closure under the GGs. You just hit the little button and it opens. And it opens to this stunning silky pink interior. It is just absolutely beautiful, that pink interior. You see how beautiful that is? It's gorgeous, amazingly beautiful. It has a zipper inside with the little tag that says Gucci made in Italy, in blue also. The details inside are also blue with the gold hardware, and it's pretty spacious. It's the size small. They have one that's bigger and they have one that's smaller. You close it by taking that same little snap and snapping it in. The bag measures 10.25 inches long, 6.5 inches height, and 2.75 inches wide. It has two different sizes of strap drops because it can be worn two different ways. You can wear it as a shoulder bag or you can wear it as a crossbody. As a shoulder bag, the strap drop is 11.5 inches, and look how easily it converts to a crossbody. And that is 21 inches. This beautiful and stunning bag comes in 4 sizes, and it also comes in leather. I'm going to put some pictures right here so that you can see all the different varieties that we have of this beautiful Gucci Marmont bag. This bag is very, very lightweight and very comfortable. Very comfortable on the shoulder, very comfortable as a crossbody. I adore wearing this bag. The only thing is, I do not think that this is an everyday bag. For me, because of the velvet, you can't wear it every day. It can get easily marked with water stains if you're out and it starts raining. Rain damages velvet and you don't want water stains all over the beautiful velvet of this bag. Another thing I noticed with this bag is that it has these gaps on the side of the bag that if you see right there, if you have your things just without a pouch, things may fall out. So you have to be really careful, like with your lip gloss, your lipstick, anything that you have in there, that, you know, if the bag turns on its side, that it won't fall out. I've had this bag for about 5 months. I did buy it pre-loved from Fashionphile, and in these 5 months I've used it 5 or 6 times. It is in very, very good condition. Hardly any marks. I bought it really in a really good condition. Usually when you look in Fashionphile, you see that some of these bags have marks over here from storing it, and I'm going to show you how I store it so I don't get those marks, or marks here from people opening the bag. You have to be really careful when you open the bag. When I open this bag, I try to touch the GGs and then click and not touch this little velvet flap too much because I don't want it to mark. And then when I close it, I try also to push on the GGs to close it. I'm going to show you now how I store my bag. Some people like to keep it in a dust bag. I, as you can see, like to store my bags at plain view because I use it as decorations too. So this bag can attract lint because of the velvet. So every so often I just clean it, with a lip brush, and it looks amazing. Also, when I store it, I do not let the chain hang on the bag. A lot of people like the look of, let me show you real quick. I'm gonna take the chain and I'm gonna pull it so that you can see. A lot of people like this look when they store their bag. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, but I don't want the chain sitting there and marking this velvet part of the bag, because then you're gonna see like a mark of a chain. Think about a rug. You have a rug and you have a coffee table on top of the rug. Once you move the coffee table, you're gonna see the mark of the legs of the coffee table. This is exactly what happens to this bag if you store it like that. So what I do is, first of all, I like to store it stuffed. I stuff it with tissue paper or airbag paper, and I take the straps and I pull it. I pull it as short as possible, and I put this part in the bag after I stuffed it. So what I'm left is with this little part. Let me close it. And what I do with this little part, I take some tissue paper and I wrap the strap as much as possible. I wrap it up so it's going to fall on top of the bag, but it's going to fall with tissue paper. So here we go, and I let it drop in the back. So here it is. Here's the way it looks. I wrap it a little better, but do you see? Then what's going to fall on top of the bag is going to be the tissue paper, not the actual chain. So there's not going to be any marks in the bag. So now I'm going to take this tissue off to continue talking about the bag. What I do when I use this bag is that I put my things in a little pouch and then put it inside the bag so that nothing falls out, just to make sure that nothing is falling out through these little holes like I told you. And also, the reason why I store it stuffed is because this right here tends to like get a little distorted in time if you don't stuff it. I don't know why this happens to the velvet bags, but I've heard a lot of reviews about this getting like a pointy look if you don't store it correctly. For me, this is an occasional bag. It's an occasional bag for when I go out at night or even during the day, but it has to be a sunny day, and I really do use it occasionally. If you like the look of this bag and you want to use it every day, I suggest you get the all leather version. Again, I'm going to put it over here. The all leather version is beautiful and comes in many different colors, and it would be a wonderful everyday bag. Remember, do not use this bag when it's raining, or else you're going to see the little white droplets. It forms like a little white cast, the little white droplets in the velvet. I mean, you know that you can't wear velvet shoes or velvet boots when it's raining. The same thing goes for this bag. As to pros and cons, I already told you my cons about not wearing it in the rain, about things may fall out from these little holes on the side. Apart from that, maybe that it may get a little lint here and then. But apart from that, I find that this bag is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. The cobalt blue color is just so gorgeous. Even with jeans, it looks amazing. It's really one of my favorite bags when it comes to, you know, really dressing up and looking beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Gucci Velvet Matelasse Gigi Marmont shoulder bag in the size small. I will do another review after I've had this bag for about a year and a half, so you can see how it's looking and what the wear is like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.